Hi everyone, welcome back to HTML programming. This is part 3 of our HTML lesson. Please check my previous videos part 1 and part 2 for the reference. In this lesson we will add a calculator to the same script. I'll go back to the same script that I created earlier. This is the script file. Let me open the output HTML file. Okay, there you go. So far we learned how to start HTML programming, how to format text, how to add a background image, and how to add a video. In this one we will add a calculator. So bring your cursor down after the video and start typing here form on input. Inverted commas result dot value equals to parse integer parenthesis num1 dot value. Num1 is the variable plus parse integer num2 dot value Close this statement now. Input type is number and then name equals to num1, the variable that you have already given. Placeholder is equal to enter number 1. Just write down anything here. Then close it and then plus sign and then come down to the next line, and we need to copy the same thing and paste it here, except that we need to change num1 to num2. So I changed num1 to num2 and also number 1 to number 2. And then you bring it down and equal to output, name equal to result, and then output, and then you just close the output, bring it down to close the form. Now save it. Now go to your HTML file, refresh it, and see this. So now you can see two boxes, enter number 1 plus enter number 2 equals to the result. So just write down two numbers here to check addition. Now let's try two more numbers. 40 plus 20 equals to 60. So you see, this is so simple. And now I'll show you only this bit, the highlighted one. This will give you the calculator, the basic calculator. Now I will just change for the subtraction. You just need to change two things. The plus sign becomes minus here. This negative sign or plus sign here at this point is very important. It's actually the operation that tells HTML what you are going to perform. And this one is for the display only. But of course you need to change that also and save it. Okay, now let's go back. Refresh. Okay, I'll put 40 minus 20, that gives me 20. Let's do one more. 25 minus 20 equals to 5. Okay, let's move on for the multiplication. The same thing, we'll just change two things. Okay, so I'll make them asterisk here, both of them. Save it, go back and refresh. Okay, yeah, that gives me 100. So let's do the last one, division. The same thing, so only the slash signs, both places. Save and come back and refresh. 100 divided by 5 gives me 20, right? And that's it. So this is so simple. Adding the calculator into your HTML program is as simple as that. And if you liked my video, please give me a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel. Take care.